Buddy, me, Lil the Man, and guys, it is almost 3 a.m. and I'm fidget spinner, and I turn on the lights, and that noise in the background is my brother and sister. Yes, they're awake. I'm not awake by myself. Wait, I've never saw this go that fast before, but dude, you guys, I'm so scared. Shh. Okay, I am in the background of where I usually do some. See, it stopped. I am in the background where I usually do my videos. Where I did a couple of videos. This is just very. Yes, can you see the background? That door is. It's locked. Good. That door is my back door. That door is one of my doors. Say my back door. No, it's not my back door. So, yeah. So, yeah. I gotta tell my brother and sister about this. Hang on. I'm not for sure, but I just went here to see if that I was just picking up my fidget spinner so I can hold it. Do you guys hear that? That's like so creepy. That's so creepy. 3 a.m. that you can see. Look closely, and it is 3 a.m. Oh my gosh. So I'm going to tell my brother and sister about this. Hopefully they don't get freaked out. Okay. Gage, Chloe, I gotta tell you guys something. Did you know, don't you know that thing, if that you spin fidget spinners at 3 a.m.? Wait, oh my gosh, wait. What was that? Oh my God, my camera flipped over. My camera, Gage, did you see that? Gage? Where's Gage? I can't find a Gage. Oh my gosh. Okay. It's 3 minutes so far. It's June? It's June? Wait, what? It can be June? Well, I don't have my days marked off. That is weird. Okay, so I was playing with some Jurassic Jurassic World toys. I was like, maybe I should make a YouTube video. So I was like, okay, I know the rules. 7 minutes. So I was like, yeah. So I said, I want to make a YouTube video. You know, why not? And two, it's almost 3 a.m. It's like it was like 2:50 something whenever I got the thought. So then, right now I'm making the video. It's now 3:24. So, my fidget spinner is spinning fast. I'm scared, y'all. I'm very scared. Tell me down up in the comments below if that you ever see anything about the ghost hunting. The ghost up in my basement was real, but I'm pretty sure the one that moved my camera was Chloe. So yeah, I'm gonna run up in Chloe's bedroom. Okay, we have arrived. Chloe's bedroom. So you might realize a change with her light. It's dark right here, but it needs to get warmed up. So I'm going to get up on my Barbie laptop. It's actually my sister's. So I'm going to type. So here's her computer. So sorry.
Come on, let's play.
So yeah, this is my sister's. Wait, Chloe, I thought this was a real computer. What? Well, it will look up some scary, right? It don't look up anything scary? See right here, that thing right there?
Press enter to select a category.
Oh my gosh, wait. Okay, so, can you guys see it right here? I like playing with her computer. I like looking up things, like categories like this.
Gage, get off the bed.
Oh yeah, Gage.
It's your big. The bed's trying to break underneath.
That's my grandma.
Damn.
Okay. Gage, get off. Okay, so this is my,
Ask Daddy if you can get up there then.
so this is my, laptop. This is my,
A game to play.
okay, wait, I'm gonna ask Barbie. Hey, Barbie, may I? Hey, do you see that thing that's up in the middle right here? That's right there. Can you see that right there? That's actually moving.
Select a game to play.
That's moving. That right there. That is me. So. Okay, so yeah. So later extra.
A game to
Okay,
play.
let's go over here to extra. Okay, let's play enter. No! Maze craze? No! Level 1, are you kidding me? Why is there...
Use the arrow keys to find the word in the maze.
No, wait, now wait. Wait, what? Cow, but wait. What's going on? Wait, what's going on?